So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how I cropped this denim jacket. So we're jumping straight into it, and I just put the jacket on and I'm just measuring where I want it to be cropped. So I'm taking this white fabric pencil thing and then just drawing a line where I want to cut. Then I'm just folding the jacket in half and making sure that the bottom is aligned with each other. And then I just used this notepad to get a straight line. I didn't have a ruler, so I'm just cutting where the white line is, and then I'm cutting the back and just joining up the line. I kind of did like a semicircle shape so it flowed better, and you'll see how it looks at the end. So then I just put the jacket on to see if I like the length, if the lengths matched, and then I just straightened up the line a little bit because it was a bit wonky. I feel like with a distressed cropped denim jacket you can get away with a wonky line because it's meant to have that raw edge effect anyway. But yeah, I just straightened up the line a little bit. And then I just took this grater and I'm taking that hard side and just brushing this along the hem of the jacket. And this is just going to help give it that frayed effect. You can also put the jacket in a washing machine and it will loosen up the threads anyway. But I felt like this was the easiest option to do. Then I'm just taking some tweezers and I'm pulling out the threads even more. I really like that distressed frayed hem effect, so that's what I was trying to achieve. And then I just went back in with the grater as well. So where I cut, it was where the pocket was and the white lining was showing, so I just cut this out.
Yo, it's all good. We can take it to the court right now. I think I can take you out with the street clothes on, baby.
She just wanna see me right now. No hesitation.
So as you can see, the white lining isn't showing anymore.
Right now. Yeah. She just wanna see me right now. No more explaining. She just wanna see me right.
And then I just did the same to the other side.
She just wanna see me right now. No hesitating. She just wanna see me right now.
So where there was a gap where the pocket was, I just took some brown thread and I just sewed this together.
No more explaining. She just wanna see me right now. She just wanna see me right now. She just wanna see me right now. Right now. Yeah. She just wanna see me right now. No more explain it. She just wanna see me right now.
So then I just went back in with the grater just to add some more distressed effect to the jacket. And this is the finished look. This is a really good idea if you have nothing else to do during quarantine and you want to revamp your old clothes. So I really like how this turned out.
What is wrong, cause to leave me here writing you a song. I swear the whole highlight of my day is when you text me, you want your man.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
That's my wife, Charlie. Anything green, get bun, still do it like I've done it like half my life. Any side of the goal, man, shoot.
My new joint, told you that it's